Gotta drop it in the bird's mouth. Can we get it? There you go. Got it that time. Is it hot? Is it soft? Did you get it? Yep, he did. He's still hungry. Uh-oh.
What?
Don't put such a big piece in there next time.
I don't think he's hungry anymore.
Yeah, I think
He's
I
sleepy.
got him.
He's sleepy.
Put your finger down there and see if he, Nah, that one got him full. Okay. Put some, wet stuff in there. That way he can get some water. Get some food with water. Make the real soggy food. That way he can get some water too. Good job. Okay, that's it. We're not gonna feed him no more.
So, are we putting him in a different one or?
Nope. And that's how you feed a baby bird. Ooh.
What?
He's still hungry.
No, you're not.
Alright, now we gotta clean this bed up and take all that old food out.